Wholistic Healing presents Connecting with the Five Elements with practitioner and teacher Luciana Stan.
Hello, and welcome to the journey in connecting with the five elements. See, when you came first into this life, you came from the spirit. And with the first gasp of air, your life began. And you need water in your life, and you are 75% water. And you need fire for digestion, for transformation, for inspiration. And you need earth for grounding, the Mother Earth that provides us food. All of these five elements in ancient time, they were the base of their healing, of their spiritual journeys. And it is believed that you were once before connected with those five elements. If you would, I would like you to find a quiet place to sit or lie down. And let's begin the journey. Let's take a deep breath in. Close your eyes and just imagine. The legend goes that in ancient times, Io, the spirit, was the first cause. Before time, Io, the spirit, was, but was not, formless, timeless, and not moving.